So you can see that, right? If I just hide the price pulse, you can see, right, from our DS FS indicator, it displayed that NQ will go down and then NQ started dropping. It came all the way down from resistance to support. Now it touched the support, it started bouncing up. So that's why we took the QQQ bull call spreads and also SPY, right? Because ES and NQ will go in the same direction. It came to the support. So there is a high possibility for price to minimum go till the midpoint. So you can, instead of buying the calls, even though there is some high implied volatility, right? High volatility going up and down also. If we take the spreads, it is more probability of success, making more profits rather than buying calls. So we basically got the QQQ and also SPY bull put spreads. And also, if you see ES, so yeah, the same thing. ES came to the support. Again, it should bounce. So right, it came from the resistance. It came to the discount zone and then started moving up. Right. If you also take the price pulse, right, that will give you more confidence. So, for example, if you see price pulse, you can see that there are nearly 3,000 buy orders, 1.6 thousand buy orders, EMA 200, your RSI, right? Everything is also giving you confidence that so you can practice each one individually, and then once you combine multiple indicators, you will understand, okay, why that stock is going up, why something is moving up, right? So nearly $300 with ES. NQ also should move high, but yeah, I'm still waiting for some more time to get NQ. Or SPY QQQ making nice profits. We also took a HAL, we sold the 35 put, that is also moving good. So at the same time, you are making money with futures. You are also at the same time. If ES is going up, we can get SPY calls or SPY spreads. If NQ is moving up, you can get QQQ calls, QQQ spreads. Right? If you want to go with low risk, we can always go with the spreads where you have less risk and more chances of success. So both SPY QQQ already made over $1,000. Let us look at HAL. So you can see Halliburton is in a huge bullish. There is nearly 382,000 by order block, and it is creating a lot of fair value gaps. But I explained you, if it creates fair value gaps, that means it is very bullish. And so we sold the puts, and you can take profits with Halliburton puts. Take profits. Gains with HAL puts. Yeah, because right, it came all the way to the resistance now. It started from the support, started going up, up, up. So again, there can be a pullback. It may come to the midpoint and again start going up. So we can take profits now. If it comes here, it starts going up again. One more time, we can enter. We took profits on the Halliburton. Halliburton, we sold the puts because we saw that there is a huge order block here. We saw it started moving up. We sold the puts because it went to nearly previous day high to the resistance. So just to avoid any risk, we are taking the profits. If it comes down and again, if it starts going up, we'll again one more time we'll enter the. We can buy calls or we can sell the puts. RX, RX. So for example, here I created different scanners which will tell us right which stocks we can see. Right, for example, it is telling that QCOM, INTC, AMAT, Adobe, they are looking good for calls. LRCX, TSM is for puts. So, So for example, here, yeah, basically chip will scan all the chip stocks, NVIDIA, AMD, QCOM, Micron, NC, AVGO, ETFs like SOXL, SMH, SMCI, and then they will tell us like which ones are good, right? For example, uh, yeah, as of now, nothing is there in the chip stocks. Mm, and yeah, here we have coin, Byto, SDIG. So we can always go and check coin, right? He told that coin is looking good. We can confirm whether our price pulse is also giving the same thing. Right here, you can see there is a 563,000 buy order block. It is creating fair value gap. So yeah, it is looking right. Overall, Bitcoin is going up. So if you see here, you can see Bitcoin is 0.34%, nearly trying to break 64,000. So if Bitcoin goes above 64, then 68,000 is possible. Then all this coin, all the crypto stocks will keep going up. So you have all crypto stocks here. Coin, Mara, Riot, Hut, BITO, CLSK, MSTR, Hive, BTBT, like that. So it will scan all those stocks and it will tell like which stocks to buy. Right? If it is blue color, then basically we need to buy the calls or you do the credit spreads. You sell the higher put, buy the lower put, like that. Okay, cool. And Q is moving so high. Yes. This is also moving up. Yes, made over $400 plus. So our spreads are making huge money. So it came nearly to the resistance again. So I can take profits now. Right? It touched the buy order block. It touched the support. It came all the way to the resistance. So $400 with ES. In the same way, your uh, spreads they made huge profits, more than $3,000-4,000 with SPY and QQQ. So yeah, you can book profits with take gains with SPY and QQQ. It made nearly $4,000-5,000. Yeah. So again, uh, so your SMCA is also in profits. It's not in huge profits, but you can, because SMCA is little expensive, you can take profits with SMCA. Let hope it is making sense, right? It went, it came to the, so again, you see one by one. Or let's use NQ. NQ will show you much more clearly. Right, we had a good news with the retail sales. So it went all the way to the top, touched the resistance. And our scanner gave a black signal for NQ. Then it came all the way down. Yeah, it touched the support. And again, our scanner gave the blue signal for NQ. Then it started going up. So you can make money with futures, or you can also uh, do use options. You can do QQQ calls, QQQ spreads. So if you buy calls, if it immediately moves up, you will make huge profits. Otherwise, you may lose some premiums with the IV and theta decay. That's why for a low risk, right, just with spreads itself, it made 4,000 plus, right, just from here to here. So it is right. It is up to you based on your risk. You can either take the spreads or you can buy the calls or puts. Again, generally it will go till the midpoint. Again, come back. Next time again, if it starts going up, this time it will go and go to the top. That's why, right? Because it touched the midpoint, we took the profits on our spreads. So if you also include price pulse, it will also show you that okay, it is a previous day low, right? I told you always your low is a good support. Previous day low, previous week low, previous month low. They always act as strong support. And also here you can see there is a huge sell order block, right? So your scanner is telling that price will go down, and also you see a huge 13,000 contracts in futures. That means it is a huge one. So you can confidently take the shot. So you are getting confluence from your scanner. You are also getting confluence from the price pulse. Right now, it is telling 10 years is at a good resistance. ZL is at a good resistance. So let us go to 10 years. So yeah, it looks like it is at a strong resistance. If we see another red candle, we can take a shot. But again, this will move very slow. So we won't make much profits with this. Let us look at ZL. So there is not enough, right, very strong. Again, this also moves slow. We have only 144 sell order block here. If it is in some thousand plus, then we can take confidently. But because it is only 144, there is a fair value gap, buy order fair value gap. That means price will come down and immediately it will start. This will act as a support. So we can avoid when you see like this, right? It came little bit down, but immediately it is going up. Yeah, it is little risky trade. So yeah, still it can come all the way till here, touch this midpoint, and then again bounce back. But it is not very right like earlier ES and Q. They were very clear with a huge order block at the top or a huge order block at the bottom. When you have clear confirmation, we can enter with full confidence. If we get a pullback on RTY, it is good to go long. And also good to buy IWM calls. RTY is moving very good these days. And if it comes back, then starts going up, this thing will go all the way to the top. So we are waiting for it to come back to the first support. Let's see a floor indicator and that gives a new signal. We can again go long with NQDS. We can also buy SPY and QQQ calls. MD can go minimum till the midpoint, but overall it is bearish, so better we don't take the risk. We can. I'm taking the 495, 493 bull put one more time. You can collect around $58. 495, 493 QQQ bull put spread. It is for today. This time it may break the. This it will go minimum till this. Give me 200. Created a fair value gap here. That means this will act as a strong support. Q is making a nice move. Uh, Another $500 plus. Thank you. Yeah, and you made nearly a huge move. 20% up with the spreads. So you can take profit, right? Again, there is a fair value gap, right? The red fair value gap. There might be a pullback. No, but it also created a green fair value gap. There is a red one, so they both are open. It broke the resistance. Yes, breaking all the resistance. If we see a red candle, then again you can sell the puts, or because overall it is bullish, we can. Right. So that's what today morning I have shared you, right? If you see the overall 30 minutes, you will know where for a swing trade you can always follow 30 minutes. So now if I hide price pulse, so now in 30 minutes it came to the support, right? From the resistance it came all the way, touched it, came to the midpoint, again came down, right? Did a double retest of the discount area, and then it went all the way to the top. Now, right, maybe after 1 hour, 2 hours, it will touch this resistance and then again start dropping. So if your 30 minutes is in the uptrend, right? For example, today morning I told that it will go up, right? Because it was somewhere here. It went all the way up. Now once it touched the resistance and once we see the reversal, then you have to focus on sell in the 5 minutes. Right? If you want to just take the swing trades in your personal account, you can use 30 minutes. Once it touches the discount area, starts going up, you can go long. Or you can always enable your price pulse. and you can see that there is a 9.8 thousand buy order block here. Price came, then started going up. So there is a 107 big sell order there, right? So there is a high possibility price will touch that and then again start dropping. We also have previous day high, so which is around 57.14. So that will act as a strong resistance. You have a previous day high, you have a huge sell order block. The price will touch and then start dropping. Minimum it will come till the midpoint, which is around 56.95. You can see nearly right from the face of 40, nearly dropped to 5 6 points. Right, it touched the resistance and started dropping. It made right retest the resistance one more time, and once it retests that 57.14, it can drop much further. So I'm just waiting for the retest. Right, on last Friday, I shared a different tips about fair value gap and retest of order blocks. Whenever a order block is retested, that is much better opportunity. Because there is a fair value gap here. So price went, touched that order block, started dropping. But because there is a fair value gap, it may again try to go up. And if it starts dropping again, that time it will drop all the way minimum till the midpoint. So if you can wait for the when first time it is dropping, don't take it. But again, if it goes and touch the resistance and starts dropping, that will be very good opportunity. So always wait for the retest of your support or resistance. So for example, price came all the way here, touched the order block. Then it went up, again came and touched it, and then it went all the way up. In the same way, so it did the support order block twice. So whenever price retests the buy order block, that is very good long opportunity. In the same way, if price goes and touch the resistance, sell order block, that will be very good opportunity. And now CL is shown in the black color. That means it is telling that CL is a bearish ticker and CL is in the premium zone. So if we let us enable price pulse. So if it goes and touch this 81.37 area or around 81.46, that can act as a strong resistance. So we'll wait for the red candle. Again, our indicator scanner gave CL as the bearish ticker. So when CL is going down, you can either sell the buy the puts or sell the calls for USO. So I sold the USO 79.5 call for July 19th. Collected $60 per contract. You can also, if you miss the watching on for example, DSSB. Right here around 10:20, you can see CL in premium area, 6S in premium area, ZN in discount area, ZT in discount area. So the alert also will tell you when bearish ticker is in premium. Right, again, all you need is $150 in one trade. With multiple prop accounts, you can scale up as much as you want. Right, at the same time, you can also make money with options. Here again, you have a huge sell order block. Your EMA 200 will act as resistance. So again, you can just use the scanner, take the trades, or you combine it with price pulse or top trend. You can take the trades. It is up to you how you want to use the tools, right? If you understand how to use the tools, then yeah, easily you can every day make $200-300 with stocks, options, futures. At the same time, the calls you sold, USO calls, they are making profits. So I enable the chat. If anyone have any questions, please let me know before we end the session. Right, all you need is this 1 hour from 9 to 10, 9 to 10:30, where there'll be a good amount of volume. Just you follow the scanner. If scanner gives a black, that means good to short. If scanner gives blue color, good to go long. Right? You can, if you want, you can always use one more indicator and look for the confluence. Right? When you saw this, you had a sell order block. You had a right EMA 200, which will generally, when you are going from the bottom, your EMA will act as a resistance. It may come all the way till the midpoint and then bounce back. That is there in the Google Drive for futures to stocks correlation. Uh, I don't know what is AMD 180 call. Okay. So again, based on if you see a huge order block, right, huge buy order block, then you can buy calls. If you see a medium size order block, that means it is like a 70-30 opportunity, right? 70% you can make profits, 30% you may not make, right? So that's why, for example, USO, I didn't see a huge order block here, right? It is only 429. So there is still a 70% chance to make money. So instead of buying the puts, I sold the calls. If I see like, for example, above 1,000, 1,500, that means definitely it is very sure that there will be a big drop, right? Then we can buy the puts instead of selling the calls. Because when you buy the puts, you will make a lot more profits if immediately you see a drop, right? If you buy the puts and if it remains choppy, then you will lose your premium. But if you see that and okay, now you can take the profits because it touch the midpoint again, it can act as a support. Right now, I took the uh, profits with CL. You can also take profits with USO nearly $200. Yeah, if you go to price pulse and if you enable this higher lows, day, week, month, then you will see those previous day low, previous week low, previous month low. Okay, let me go to AMD. So AMD, if it comes to 173, that is the best time you can average. So this is the support, but still you don't have any buy order blocks here. But if it here you have 32,000 buy order block, you have a previous week low. So if you come to 173, that is the best time to buy calls or sell the puts, and it can go all the way back to 178. So generally, when something is below EMA 200, if you don't want to take risk, you only stay with the puts or shorts. When it is above 200, then but you will lose some opportunities. But yeah, again, if you want to take low risk, below EMA 200 is good for shorts, above is good for long opportunities. Yeah, price pulse or scanner will not show buy and sell signals, right? You have to just manually interpret if it is at the support or then, right? If you see a big buy order block, you see a green candle, then you can buy the calls or sell the puts. You see a big sell order block and you see a red candle, you can buy the puts. There is nearly in 30 minutes you have nearly 3.2 million buy order block. So there is a high possibility for AMD to bounce back, but yeah, around 174, 173, that is the best time to buy calls or buy the stocks. So next 3 4 days I am traveling, so I may not be able to do a lot of sessions. Yeah, for setting the alerts, you have to just go here, select this one, and then basically you have to select this any alert function call. Click on create. So whenever something comes to premium zone or something comes to discount zone, it will give you an alert. Yeah, if you have tickers, you can basically Amazon. Yeah, there is a 193 is a good price. If it does a retest of this 193 area, then Amazon can go all the way to 196. So now there is a 2.2 million sell order here. So that's where it dropped. And then it came to the discount area now. If it comes here, then we can buy calls or you can sell the puts. So, right, I hope you can see the advantage, right? Today with ES we made $400 plus, with CL we made $200 plus, right? Just focus, right? Don't take any other signals other than what indicator is showing. If indicator shows something, just also you can have a confluence with price pulse or any other thing which will give you much more confidence. So it dropped, it came all the way here. Now trying to go up. So if it goes next time, then it will come all the way to the bottom. No, don't buy, never buy, right? Only if you see blue color, you have to go and check is there a order block, buy it. If you see sell black color, see if there is a sell order block close to that, then you can short it. In between, don't do any buy or sell, right? In between, it can go up or it can come down. So you always wait for this is our buy zone for the bullish stickers. This is our sell zone for the bearish stickers. Don't do anything in between. In between, it can, right? It can be a small pullback and again it can start dropping. So that's why, right? Even though, yeah, most of the users make mistake there by not waiting for the bottom or top. They will take trades in between. That is where they will have problem. So just wait for just understand what is the potential you can make if you follow the rules with proper discipline. Right? If you take even one single trade, $200 with 20 accounts is $4,000. Just think like, right? Do you want to make that? Do you want to? If you want to make such income, do you want to maintain the discipline or not? And once you start following it, you will be able to make nice profits. If you don't want that $3,000-4,000 per day, then you can take trades wherever you want. If you want to make such, that is only with one company. Now, if you follow the same discipline with 20 companies, think what is the potential, right? You have everything available. Only thing is we need to maintain our emotional balance, wait for proper signals, and then take the trades. Don't take in between, wait for the top or wait for the bottom. Right, as I told you, so green means it is bullish, but it may be somewhere in between. Red means it is bearish, but it may be somewhere in between. If it is black, that means it is a bearish one, and also it is at the top. If you see something in blue, let me enable. Yeah, you can use either normal or high Kanashi candles. Right, so basically, if you see it in blue color, that means that is good to buy calls, good to go long, good to buy stocks, good to buy cryptos, good to buy futures, whatever it is, right? That is good for long opportunities. If you see black color, that is good for short opportunities. So whenever you see something, then just go to the chart and see whether is it happening at the same place or not. Okay, now Netflix is at 654.29. It is showing the Netflix. You can go to Netflix. If I go to, I can open an ID, please go to the information. Came all the way. So here there was a huge sell order block. It came all the way to the bottom, touched the support, went up to the midpoint, again came down, now going up. Uh, yeah, we can. It's not good for calls, but we can still sell the puts. You can sell 660, Netflix 660, and yeah, he sold 655 puts and bought 645 puts and collected $500 per contract. Netflix 655 by 645. Yeah, for this Friday, 655 by 645 bull put, because yeah, it came to the bottom. Now it is trying to go minimum if it goes to 658, or it can break 658 and go all the way to the top. Yeah, today morning it went to nearly 665. That means overall it is a bullish, and it came to the bottom. So you are selling the put. So if it goes up, you'll make money. If it stays somewhere here, you'll make money. If it goes little bit down also, you'll make money. Only if it goes much below, you will lose. Otherwise, you have more chances to make money in all different scenarios. Because I don't see any major order blocks, I did not buy the calls. I just did a credit spread, which is low risk opportunity. If I see a huge order block here, then I can buy 650 calls or 655 calls. Yeah, Netflix earnings are on 718. So today itself we'll close the trade. Right, within next half an hour, you can make profits. Because before earnings, there will be always good demand for any stock, most of the stocks. So Netflix came to the bottom, now going up. Right, again you just follow the scanner, right? Scanner gave that. Yeah, there was a small drop, but again it broke this, right? Now again it broke the change of character, right? So here it said that it broke the previous higher lows, but again now it broke this one. That means it is a green change of character now. So it is a bullish, right? Your scanner is telling it is a bullish ticker and it is at a discounted price. It started going up. So already how much profit we made? Uh, yeah, still at break even, but yeah, we'll make $100 $200 easily. It can go all the way till this 657, 658, where we can take the profits. Yeah, I don't use Charles Schwab. Webull, do you know where I can track the contract? You right? You have the order screen where you can track the contract, just like where you track your calls and puts in the same way. That is the same place where you can track it. Mm, yeah, whoever sent for the replicant too, I'm waiting for 4, 5 more members. If they send it, I can buy the bulk discount. Otherwise, I can refund the price. If it is getting delayed for you, you can directly buy from the website. Mm, yeah, yeah, you can show that how, right? Price went up, retested the order block, it went all the way to the top. So for example, you have swing indicator, right? You got a swing buy. Touch the once it touches the retest it, you will get a swing buy, right? From nearly $67, it went all the way to 69. So once it touches the resistance, you can take the profits. You can enter when you get a swing buy. You exit when it touches the resistance at the top. Yeah, you can configure whatever you want. You can configure stocks, you can configure cryptos, whatever you want, you can configure in the scanner. Yep, that's it, everyone. Have a nice rest of the day. I'll share more alerts in the options channel if I see any good setups. And yeah, talk to you in the morning tomorrow.